Windows play a crucial role in every home, offering natural light, ventilation, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. In Ferndale, where homes reflect both classic charm and modern design, properly installed windows are essential for maintaining comfort and energy efficiency in the city's varying climate. While DIY projects can be tempting for those looking to save a few dollars, professional window installation offers long-term advantages that far outweigh the initial cost. Here are the top benefits of hiring professionals for window installation in Ferndale. Expert precision for a perfect fit. Windows are not a one-size-fits-all feature. Each home is unique, and professional installers ensure your windows fit perfectly into the specific dimensions of your space. A poorly installed window can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and other costly issues. Professional installers use specialized tools and precise measurements to guarantee a secure and airtight fit, keeping your home comfortable and protected from the elements. Enhanced energy efficiency. Ferndale experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from chilly winters to warm summers. Energy-efficient windows, when installed properly, help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by reducing heat transfer. Professionals understand the nuances of energy-efficient products and installation techniques. They seal gaps, align frames, and ensure proper insulation, which can significantly reduce your heating and cooling bills. In fact, professionally installed energy-efficient windows can often pay for themselves over time through lower energy costs. Increased home value. Replacing or upgrading windows is a surefire way to increase the value of your home, particularly in a competitive real estate market like Ferndale. Potential buyers are drawn to homes with modern, well-installed windows because they know they won't have to worry about costly repairs or energy inefficiencies. Professional installation guarantees that your investment not only looks great but also performs optimally, making your property more attractive to future buyers. Superior materials and products. Professional window installers often have access to high-quality materials and products that aren't available in standard retail stores. They can recommend the best options for your specific needs, such as double or triple pane glass, UV blocking coatings, or soundproof windows. Working with experts ensures you're getting the most durable, efficient, and long-lasting windows on the market, tailored to the unique weather patterns and architectural styles of Ferndale. Guaranteed safety. Installing windows can be a dangerous task, especially for multi-story homes or homes with large, heavy windows. Professional installers are trained to handle these challenges safely, using the proper tools and techniques to avoid accidents. They also have insurance coverage, so you're protected from liability in case of any mishaps. By hiring experts, you ensure the safety of everyone involved in the project, as well as the structural integrity of your home. Time and cost saving. While DIY projects might seem like a cost-saving solution, they often take much longer than expected and can result in mistakes that require expensive fixes. Professional window installers complete the job efficiently and correctly the first time, saving you time, money, and stress. Their expertise allows them to anticipate and address challenges that might arise during the installation process, ensuring the project stays on track and within budget. Comprehensive warranties. One of the biggest benefits of hiring a professional for window installation is the warranty coverage. Many professional installers provide warranties on both the products and their workmanship. This means that if any issues arise after installation, you're covered. DIY installations, on the other hand, don't offer this peace of mind, leaving you responsible for any problems or repairs. Local expertise for Ferndale Homes. Ferndale has its own unique architectural styles, building codes, and climate considerations. Professional window installers in Ferndale are familiar with these specific factors and can recommend solutions that are best suited for local homes. Whether you live in a charming older house or a sleek new build, their knowledge ensures your windows complement your home's style and meet all necessary requirements. Stress-free experience. Perhaps the greatest advantage of hiring professional window installers is the peace of mind it provides. From selecting the right windows to ensuring a flawless installation, professionals handle every step of the process with skill and attention to detail. Instead of worrying about tools, measurements, or unexpected challenges, you can relax and enjoy the results. Conclusion. Investing in professional window installation in Ferndale is a smart choice for homeowners who value quality, efficiency, and long-term savings. With expert precision, enhanced energy efficiency, increased home value, and guaranteed safety, professional installation ensures you get the most out of your new windows. Whether you're upgrading for aesthetic reasons or aiming to improve your home's functionality, hiring professionals will deliver superior results that stand the test of time. So, when it's time to replace or upgrade your windows, trust the experts in Ferndale to provide a seamless, stress-free experience that transforms your home for the better.